Guys, do you have a 2019 Chevy Suburban with a broken center cap latch? Look at this. Sometimes it'll go down, sometimes it'll just pop right back up. What happens, the springs sometimes break loose inside this little latch right here. Well, I got a solution for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What you want to do, you want to get something pried behind here, these edges, and that's the way you can pop this cover right here off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a trim puller tab or tool. I'm going to stick it behind here, and you can see right here how it's opening up. I'm going to go a little bit higher. Hopefully I don't damage this. That pops it up. There we go. We just popped up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to come to the other side. I'm going to do the same. Boom. Not saying that's the most beautiful way of doing this, but it works. Once we have this cover off right here, here's the latch right here, and you can see how the spring has just gotten completely worn out. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to pull off the 1, 2 screws right here. I actually have a replacement one right here that I picked up at a wrecking yard. And I'm just gonna pull these 2 screws out and completely swap them over. I got a T20, a Torx 20. And all I'm gonna do now is pull these screws out. There's 2 or 3 of them. One. Go to this other side. Two. Gotta line it up. Oh, that's a Phillips. Now we're going to take our Phillips screwdriver, and now we're going to loosen this guy up. Okay, there are the 3 screws. One's a Phillips, the other 2 are the T20s, and that will help you pull out this latch. This latch should just lift essentially right out, just like that. Now, I got this at a scrap yard. I'm sure you can go to the dealership and order it through them as well, or find it on Amazon. Now I'm gonna pull my old one out that's broken and replace it. All right, now I got the new latch all installed. It was the 2 T20s and the 1 Phillips. Slid right back into position. Now I'm gonna grab this cover right here. All I'm gonna do is line it up, just like that. And start squeezing the sides. Boom. Everything works as it should. If this helps you, like and subscribe. Thank you for checking this out.